Hi, this is a product video for my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine, and these are 1-inch fabric yo-yos, and they come in a variety of patterns and colors, and I'm going to go through and show you them set one by one. So this is pink flamingos. These are a beige with purple and just floral print on them. These are like a wine color, maroon, burgundy with a little bit of a floral print on these as well. And they come in a variety of quantities of sizes. Another purple with little white florals and a white with purple floral. And then this set is all varies from in size from 3 inches down to 2 inches, to 1.5 inch, to 1 inch, and then 1/2 inch. And this is a complete set by itself. These are all found in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. You can find the link in the description below. So here's another beautiful set. And then I have them in orange and floral again. So these are all in my Etsy shop. And today only, I'm having 12 days of steals and deals. So today is steal number 4, and you get 30% off of these adorable little yo-yo sets, and it just makes them for pennies a piece. So just head on over there, marketsofsunshine.store, and I hope that you will pick some of these up while the sale is going on. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.